Winnipeg will be hosting the World Police and Fire Games this year, and Draganfly is happy to announce that we will be supporting our first responders and public safety professionals as a sponsor of the event, where we will also be showcasing some of our cutting-edge technologies. Visitors to the games will have the opportunity to stop by the Draganfly booth number 21 at the RBC Convention Center in downtown Winnipeg between July 26th and the 29th to get hands-on with our drone fleet, including the Commander 3XL, the heavy lift drone, and to learn about Draganfly's biometric AI vital intelligence technology. The Draganfly team will also be hard at work using drones to capture some amazing aerial footage of the events for an immersive perspective of the games. And we will have several exciting updates to share at the games, including the launch of the groundbreaking Starlink X.2 drone, which is a brand new drone collaboration between Draganfly and Promo Drone. The World Police and Fire Games is an incredible platform for Draganfly to showcase cutting-edge technologies, engage with industry professionals, and support the first responders who tirelessly serve our communities. And we're honored to be a part of it.